News. Today is Thursday. It is September 17th and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make sure that we show up and we are on time to class every single day. We want to be sure that we're logging in a little bit early so that when class begins, we're not just signing into Schoology or into class. We are already there, ready to get started. We have ID cards and books for many of you still up here in the office. Please be sure to call the office between 9 and 12 and let's get those things picked up. Make sure you're taking care of your work. Grades are finished off this Friday, so make sure you take care of everything and you're checking your Power School through Clever so you know where your grades stand. TdAP vaccinations are coming soon. That's actually this upcoming Tuesday. If you have not gotten your TdAP taken care of, 7th graders, make sure that you do. When we come back to school, you cannot attend in person without having gotten that vaccination taken care of. So make sure that you do. And our thought for the week is about our efforts. Don't expect front row seats if you're giving nosebleed effort. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.